Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about trim patches. Okay, so you can see over here this is the product and you can see the same product, or you can say like this product is easily available in the market, and in today's time you have seen lots of advertisement about this product like this is a very worthy product for weight loss and weight management and it will give you amazing results. So does it really work or it's another scam? So in this video I'm going to provide you information. So let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you like does trim patches really work? So you can see the results. No, there is no scientific evidence that trim patches or other weight loss patches really effective or it will give you results in your weight loss. And you can see the FDA has not approved weight loss patches due to lack of evidence of their safety and effectiveness. So I want to tell you like this is also a same kind of patch product, and you can see the product is easily available on amazon.uk and on eBay also only in $2 or $3, and you can also see the some website is also selling same product. So the basic thing I want to tell you, this is a very common product and there is no guarantee you will get results or not. Okay, and if we talk about like the problems, the first problem maybe you will face when you purchase this product on any other website. I'm not talking about a particular one website, any other website, there is no guarantee you will get your product, because if you get the product there is no guarantee you will get results first of all. And the second thing is like in most of the cases your money will be deducted from your account but you will not get any kind of product. And if we talk about like the results, there is no guarantee. And if we talk about like return and refund, you will also not get any kind of return and refund, because these kind of stores does not provide any kind of return and refund. So stay away, don't try to purchase, otherwise you are going to regret why you have invested so much amount in this kind of product. You are not going to get any kind of results. And this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. Okay, if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comments will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so thanks for watching this video my dear friends, and bye bye.